Solution: apply a quadratic formula, which is x is equals to minus b plus or minus a squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now our a is equals to 2, our b is equals to 7, and our c is equals to 3. Then substitute these values in the quadratic formula. X is equals to minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3 all over 2 times 2. So x equals to minus 7 plus or minus, we have 49, that is 7 squared minus 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24 all over 4. So come up to this side, we have x is equals to minus 7 plus or minus to the square root of 25. 49 minus 24 is 25 all over 4. 2 times 2. Right, so our x is equals to minus 7 plus or minus 5, the square root of 25 all over 4. So our x is equals to minus 7 plus 5 over 4 or minus 7 minus 5 over 4. Two values. Therefore x is equals to minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2 over 4, or minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12 all over 4. Therefore x is equals to minus 1 over 2 or minus 3. And this becomes the final answer.